This is a colour and light comparison between the GoPro Hero 10 and the GoPro Hero 9. Above me we've got a strip light, and on the GoPro Hero 10 it's not showing it blown out, and the colours either side of me are truer to life. The GoPro Hero 9 is showing the light up the top completely blown out. Now the only difference I've got on the settings is the GoPro Hero 10 is on natural colour and the GoPro Hero 9 is on GoPro colour, but they're both on the same ISO and the same shutter speed, but the GoPro Hero 10 is controlling the light a lot better. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you like my videos.